Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw numbers 1 to 20. Kids, today we draw numbers 1 to 20. First we use the color of green. Subscribe to our channel. First we draw the number of 1, O-N-E 1. The next one is 2. And now we draw 3. And the next one is 4, F-O-U-R 4. Now we draw 5. The next one is 6. Kids, now we draw 7. The next one is 8. And now we draw 9. The next one is 10. Now we use the color of green. The number of 11. The next one is 12. Now we draw 13. The next one is 14. Now we draw 15. The number of 15. Kids, we again use green color and now we draw 16. The next one is 17. Now we draw 18. The next one is 19. Now we draw 20. Today we draw numbers 1 to 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.